Unfortunately, the inevitable is fast approaching. Big Black just needs a little bit of jump pack love, I guess. Forgot to plug in Big Black over here, so Big Black was pretty angry at me, but it started. Big Black was angry, dude. I wish, oh man, dude, I'm having some major problems with my exhaust here. What in the hell? That's all I've got? Poor Big Black, dude. I need to do something about this thing. Do something about this before it becomes a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and move Jaguar. Jaguar doesn't have a problem starting because Jaguar is gas powered. Watch. Boom, no issue. Oh, e-brake. Come on, guy. I got a emergency call, go help a client. Their upstairs bathroom decided to have a little bit of an issue, so it's just some of the stuff I do, guy. I do it all. But yeah, I'm gonna blow off their driveway because they are having family and stuff over. Blow off their driveway, and there's a couple of like little small trees that I'm just gonna slice off with my Ryobi little saw thing there, man. That thing is awesome. So let's go check it out. This is why. That's why, dude. I am biased towards the Big Rock. Come on, dude. You own something like this, of course you're gonna be biased, guy. I mean, look at this thing. Look at this truck. Dude, you're not seeing what I'm seeing. Look at this thing. This is Big Black, dude. This is the Big Rock in real life. I bring these as my hearing protection. Big Black is getting typical diesel mileage right there, 5.2. But that's only because it was very angry and it took a little bit to start, and I've obviously got the thing warming up, so. All right, let's go do what I gotta do, blow some leaves and cut a couple of just lame trees. Very easy work, but yeah, that's sometimes what I do. My wife is watching me. She's like, what are you doing on your camera? Becomes a safety issue with the pine needles and the leaves and stuff, especially on a driveway that's got such a slope like this. But he was bothered by the fact that some of these branches from this pine tree, this little one right here, they do hit the car. So, thinking what I should do, I should literally just get rid of the entire thing. Get rid of that thing, just cut it down right at the stump, cut that thing down right at the stump, and basically be done with it. This one right here, man, I don't know. That's an oak. That's some kind of scrub something. But just a couple of branches that are hitting the car. Maybe this one I'll just leave for now, and he can determine if he wants that gone at a later date. I mean, I know I'd get rid of it just because it's close to the driveway. But yeah, this one right here, you can see like branches and stuff have already been cut. Branches have been cut, probably stuff broke off and whatever. And it would definitely make it easier for when I plow to be able to get a push into like these areas right here. So I'm going to get rid of these 2 trees, cut them down with the Ryobi saw, blow this all out, and that'll be it. That'll at least help them with company that they've got coming today. So yeah, so if you're in for this video, this is all this is about. This is just me doing some of the stuff that I do. So yeah, that's it, guy. All right. So let's see, how do I even do this? All right. So I'll do this first. Angle that like that, I guess. And then I'll put my hearing protection on. I'm not going to use my vest. I bring that just because, like, you know, sometimes it's a good thing. But this is my Ryobi saw here. You can see we're at 3 bars. Don't need any gas with this thing. And for what this is, this ain't nothing. So, Big Black, man. Big Black's just rotting away. I hate New England. This saw is stinking awesome, dude. Love this thing. All right, so very easy. Just get in here and saw away. Boom. Gone. Gone. Christmas tree gone. And I'll do the same exact thing to that one. And that will fall right into there. So let's see. Let's get in here. I'm going to cut just a couple of these little branches off. See how easy that is, man? Look how easy this makes it. Nice and quiet. Left or right-handed. Just cut as far as I can see up, and that's it. Now, we'll just go after the actual tree, which is right here. I'm going to cut it again right at its base, and we'll just let it fall. You know what I should do? Nah. Look at that. Dude, look at that. Boom. Perfect. Look how easy that was. Jesus, this thing is awesome. So now it's just obviously going to be the cleanup. Grab these trees, drag them out into the woods, and I'm done. And I can blow all this off. This saw is mint, dude. I love this thing. Look how easy and fast that was. That already looks way better. All right, got my hearing protection on here. Get the backpack blows on the other side, guy. People are running in and out all day here. The only thing about leaving the backpack blower in the truck during 30-degree days is that this is what's called, I mean, look at that. This is what's called a cold start. 1, 2, oh my God, the primer bulb doesn't even want to release. 2, 3, put it to choke. Should be like third pull, I think it'll start. 1, 2, 3. That's literally all it needed. Those 2 trees gone, cleared up the edges, cleared up the deck section where they get to their shed. That'll be for later this week, the whole back of the yard. Take care of all this, and once these cars are out of here. Once all these cars are out of here, I'll make it easier. So, anyways, it's RC Guy Garage, and this is recreational content, man. So, this is just part of what I do on a daily basis, man. So, what are you doing?